What is up? Welcome back to the Weber Auto Sports channel. Thank you for watching. My name is Drew Weber. Today, I'm going to show you a 3-minute hack using jack stands that is absolutely going to blow your mind. If you work on cars or trucks or motorcycles, or if you have a shop of your own, you've probably used a jack stand before. This is a basic 2-ton jack stand. And what is the most annoying part of using jack stands? You go to pick it up, you go to move it, you go to extend it underneath a truck or a car, and this happens. It's absolutely infuriating. Anybody who has ever used one of these and had that happen where you're already crawling around underneath the vehicle knows the type of suffering I'm referring to. Now, I have two really big pet peeves in my life. One is when my corded headphones get caught on doorknobs as I walk by, and two is when the stand falls out of the jack stand. Now, that is absolutely infuriating, and this will save you so much frustration and keep you away from homicidal thoughts. Now, all you're really gonna need is a hammer, a punch, a 2-ton jack stand, and 3 minutes of your time. And I'm telling you right now, I've been working on motorcycles, cars, and trucks for over 20 years, and this isn't some old man wisdom that I've had the whole time. I'll be honest, I literally just learned about this, and it is absolutely gonna boggle your mind how much simpler you can make using a jack stand. All right, so what you're gonna do is take your jack stand, and this is literally gonna apply to any jack stand that I've actually looked at, and I didn't even know these things were there. And I have multiple different jack stands, blue ones, red ones, 2-ton, 3-ton, whichever. On the side of your jack stand, you're gonna see there's a little tab here. And what you're gonna do with that tab is you're gonna take your punch and you're gonna take your hammer, and it's gonna make a little bit of noise, and I'm sure the mic's gonna pick it up, but you're gonna take your punch and you're gonna bash that tab in. That's gonna take a few hits. Until that tab is now dented in. And now what that tab's gonna do is you're gonna go to extend that jack stand. Ta-da! Literally stops the jack stand from falling out of the stand. Now, one thing you're gonna wanna make sure that you do is you're gonna wanna make sure that you punch that tab all the way in as far as you can. You don't want it just catching the lip of the stop at the bottom. You want it to catch the entire surface there. And that's it. That tiny little 3-minute hack will save you the aggravation of having your jack stand fall out at 11 o'clock at night when you've been underneath your truck for 4 or 5 or 6 hours and you just don't have the patience for anything else to go wrong. So again, all you need, hammer, punch, jack stand. I hope this video helped everybody out. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe. I do respond to all the comments on my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.